With every industrial revolution, there's been a new change to master. During the fourth industrial revolution, this was digitization and connectivity. But as the fifth fast approaches, we're going to need intelligence. Intelligence is the driving force of change in industry today. It has created new kinds of disruption, but most importantly, new opportunities. It has brought new life to physical machinery and connected products, allowing us to digitize manufacturing and operations and to create software-enabled products and product platforms. Those who can master this intelligence will redefine how companies, technology, and people work. They will transform the core of their business, changing how they make things and the very things they make. They will design things smarter, engineer things safer, manufacture things faster, produce things sustainably, service things remotely, and ultimately make things better. We call this Industry X, embedding intelligence to help industry thrive in the face of constant change. We improve performance across manufacturing, automated operations, and worker safety. Within engineering and R&D, we reduce the time and cost to design and develop the next generation of intelligent products and platforms. This is how we help industry do more with less, grow at scale, keep people safe, and ensure a sustainable future. Industry X, transforming the way the world makes things and the things it makes.